Nowadays, I will try to tell you about some precautionary measures and some signs symptom of COVID-19. It's already being spread by air all over the world. Firstly, it spread in China. In the beginning, it was known to be spread by mammals, including bats, snake, and cats, etc. It also affects mammals. Symptoms are common cold, flu, fever, and headache, respiration problems. It has already affected many countries in the world. It is thought to be corona has 7 variants. It affects lungs and respiration process. The mortality rate has been exceeded by day in the world. Do not go near stray animals in the street and bazaars. In religious point of view, 5 time ablution can prevent many viral and bacterial infection. Precautionary measures: wash your hands. Precautionary measure: wash your hands at least 20 seconds. When you go out of house and home, roads, COVID, drinking cold water, instead drink lukewarm water. Keep at least 6 feet social distance. Use face mask when you go out and dispose it after every single use. Keep sanitizers in your pocket every time. Do not go out of house for no reason unless it's emergency. Wash your food ingredients carefully and completely. According to some doctors, use of Disprin is useful in COVID-19 patients. Some old folk says clove, cardamom, ginger, and cinnamon tea is useful in COVID-19 in China. In general, they are said to be right, but precaution is must. Some of my peers said that the international news agency said that this is conspiracy to earn some dirty money and cheap attention. So question is raised, to all the doctors are wrong? No, they are not wrong. Please have some mercy our people and peoples of the world. But still, knowledge about COVID 19 and its variants are limited, and researchers and scientists are struggling to find out what actually it is. So do not believe in fake news, as it is propaganda to lead people go astray. Despite having so much resources and strong economy, the developing countries are struggling to cope up with pandemic, and the underdeveloping countries whose resources are limited and economy is weak should be given did so they can survive the battle of COVID 19. Stay home, stay away, stay safe.